Intel's AI wants to serve you burritos. Okay, just kidding aside, Chipotle has teamed up with Intel to offer you the freshest food possible based off of AI technology. Intel talked a lot on how they built a system for Chipotle that will automate a lot of their manual tasks. Vision AI will tell them how much inventory they have on hand. The computer is counting the containers left in the station as well as the food contained in that station in real time. So there's little cameras mounted above the food station that basically detects what type of food is in the food station as well as how much food is remaining and how fresh that food is that's been. This will eliminate having to refill or knowing when to refill that food station. This software reminds me of something that TensorFlow has made a little while back that basically allows camera AI to be trained to understand what they're actually looking at and identify those objects. Seems like it's kind of the same thing, except they're calling it Open Vino, and they're using the AI model to train from the cameras what actual object that is being displayed. This has been done before. This is not something that's totally new, but it is new for Intel. They're creating a whole AI model software around OpenVINO and allowing it to integrate with cameras and sensors and other. What does this really mean for you is that the server can basically think about other tasks beyond having to refill things or manually count specific items, so that the AI could tell you basically when those items will be predicted to be sold or predicted to be removed, or if they are actually physically been done or finished at this point and need to be changed. Again, this is not new. It is revolutionary, kind of like how Amazon with their food stores have been able to detect people purchasing certain items, picking them up, and then just walking out, and then the system would automatically determine who you are, what you purchased, and then actually charge your account. Going into any type of grocery store, being able to pick up all of your items, put them in your cart, and just physically be able to walk out without having to go through the checkout process. The checkout process does waste a lot of time in grocery stores. This would definitely cut that time down. It will also give you better performance for the customer too, on the aspect that they don't have to deal with anybody. They would just be able to get in, get their stuff, get out. The only problem is that when Amazon did this, Amazon has done this already in stores, and they've been testing this for a very long time. The amount of theft or misunderstanding of like what was taken out of the store is still not 100% perfect, and it has been a problem. I think this will be a really good step towards the future of not having to worry about self-checkout or even manual checkout or any type of checkout system. You just walk out. It's a lot easier than having to spend another 15 minutes scanning and all your items into the system so that you can purchase and pay for them. Another aspect is that a lot of customers don't like the self-checkout system because that's also doing a job that the store should be actually doing for you. Where in this case, if you didn't have any type of self-checkout system, you're kind of eliminating that aspect and going more towards just self-reliance on technology to help you get through the store quicker and faster. I think they're going in the right direction. It's just there's not really much to go on. It's just kind of new and interesting. They can run on almost any type of product. They are trying their best. I think that giving people this extra little bit of framework to work with does help support the rest of making a bigger product or a product that actually go to market. But that's all you gotta really know about how Intel wants to serve you some more burritos. And hopefully in the future we'll have more burritos, or maybe you might even have an AI robot serving you a burrito in the near future, and maybe that's a new thing. We will see in the next video. Have a great day.